Careful. Joke, not too much.
Use your teeth. Good job. September 2025. Oh, see? Eating by himself.
Good job, Timothy.
Proud of you. Ang hobo.
Malaglag yan.
Kagat mo.
And then before sleep we can do at least Monday, Tuesday dito. Yes. Yeah, let's do Monday, Tuesday para hindi ka tambak, ha? Na? Timothy?
Nalog-log.
Is this safe to eat?
Yeah, you can still eat it.